Hi, this is Larry from MSC America, here to talk to you about the Uniden R9W, the ultimate in stealth radar and laser defense. The Uniden R9W is the ultimate in laser and radar defense systems, custom installed into your ride. It all starts with the internal components, which include the Uniden display, as well as the controller. These can be stealth mounted in the car in ways unimaginable. We'll get into that a little bit later with the installation, but what you need to know now is we want to make that vehicle look OEM with the radar system installed. So these are the two internal components. The heart of the radar detection is done with the R9W radar heads. In the R9W kit, we provide two, one that runs in the front of the vehicle and one for the rear of the vehicle. That works in conjunction with the display to give you driver awareness of where that copper may be situated, either in front of you or behind you. The most current speed detection is done by use of LiDAR, which is commonly referred to as laser in our industry. Here, the R9W excels. The system is shipped with 6 transponder heads, which is what I have in my hand here. 4 of them go in the front of the car, secretly positioned in the grille where they protect you against the laser but aren't seen. The other 2 are on the rear of the car to protect you against rear laser hits. And here we are to the heart of the system, the control module for the Uniden R9W. Here is where everything terminates and the brains of the system come to life. Now, I know we've all driven with radar detectors that are constantly beeping at every mall door that you pass and every Honda Civic. Well, guess what? Uniden has it solved with an amazing IVT, which stands for in-vehicle technology filtering. No longer are you bothered with those annoying alerts, but you really get alerted when you really need the protection. So there you have it, the complete R9W from Uniden, the complete answer for all your radar and laser defense needs. Please visit us at msc-america.com. Know before you buy.